Standard 7 Geography, How Seasons Occur, Part 2, Questions and Answers. Question 1. Complete the statements using correct options. Now, in your textbook, the options are already given to you. So, here I have not printed the all three options, but I have only given you the correct option for the question. So, the first one is the apparent movement of the sun means dash. Answer is the B option. It appears that the sun moves to the north or south in a year. Number 2 question. If the axis of the earth were not tilted, dash. Answer the option C. Different parallels on the earth would have experienced the same climate throughout the year. Question number 3 is 21st June and 22nd December are the solstice days, that is dash. Means exactly what happens on 21st June and 22nd December. As I've already explained you exactly what happens over here. Option A. The sun starts its southward journey from Tropic of Cancer on 21st June and northward journey from Tropic of Capricorn on 22nd December. The December year is not printed. Please add December. Question 4. The revolution of the earth around the sun and the tilt of the axis of the earth together are responsible for the dash. Answer is option C. They are responsible for summer and winter. Answer the following questions. What leads to the occurrence of seasons? Answer. Point A. Seasons occur due to the revolution of the earth. Point B. Seasons also occur due to the tilt of the earth's axis. Please ignore apostrophe S over here. What is the duration of the day on equinox? So your answers are in points. Point A. The circle of illumination divides all the parallels from the North Pole to the South Pole equally. Point B. Everywhere on the earth, the night time and the daytime are of equal duration. Point C. Duration of the day will be 12 hours on equinox. Question. Why is the effect of the seasons not experienced in the equatorial region? Answer in points again. Point A. Seasons have been decided on the basis of the duration of sunlight, equinoxes and solstices. Point B. Equatorial region does not experience any of the above factors. Hence, the effect of the season is not experienced in the equatorial region. That means what? The regions which are near the equator, they do not have equinox, they do not have solstice, and that's why they here the effect of the seasons is not experienced. Why is the sun visible for more than 24 hours during Dakshinayan? In the region between the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole. You know Dakshin means south. So during the southward journey of the sun, why this is happening? Answer. Point A. The tilted axis of the earth at the South Pole faces towards the sun. Point B. During Dakshinayan, the whole of the Antarctic region falls within the zone of illumination all day long. So, the sun is visible for more than 24 hours between the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole. Question. Why are penguins not found at the North Pole? Answer in points again. Point A. The living world on the earth is affected by the cycle of seasons. Point B. Now, penguins have adapted to the natural conditions prevailing in the Antarctic regions of the South Pole. So, penguins are found at the South Pole but not at the North Pole. Rewrite the following statements after correcting them. So, here the first question is the Earth's velocity varies according to the period of revolution. But the answer is the Earth's velocity varies due to the rotation of the earth. Okay, so this is the correction. Instead of revolution, it is rotation. Question 2. If we observe from the northern hemisphere, we see the apparent movement of the sun. Answer. If we observe from the northern hemisphere, we can see only stars. We cannot see the apparent movement of the sun. Okay. Number 3. The dates of the equinox change every year. Answer. The dates of the equinox can vary by a day or so. It can be here and there, one day before or after. Number 4. North Canada experiences summer from September to March. Answer. North Canada experiences summer from June to September. Question 5. When it is summer in South Africa, Australia has winter. Answer. When it is winter in South Africa, Australia has winter. Number 6. Duration of the daytime is less on the vernal and autumnal equinox. Answer. On the vernal, that is spring equinox, and autumnal equinox, day and night are nearly of the same length. Now this question is in your textbook, and the diagram which I have put here is from your textbook. Spot the error in the diagram given below. So you can actually see what is the error over here. So spring equinox. So where can you see the spring equinox? See, I'll just use a pen here. Spring equinox. What is the date given here? 22nd March. But actually the date is 21st March. So that you can make a correction. Then you can make a correction for summer solstice. Now summer solstice over here, it should be 21st June. But what is the correct? See, 22nd December is given here. So make it 21st June. And last is the winter solstice, where the date should be 22nd December. But here it is given 21st June. So these three dates are wrong. Please do the necessary corrections. Thank you.